Hey beauties, my name is Crystal and welcome to my channel. For today's look, I did this grayish silver look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you're ready to get started, then let's go. So before I apply anything else, I apply eyeshadow primer and then I set it with a light color. Now I'm going in with the color Suede from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm just gonna wipe it all over my lid, and I put tape to give it that sharp effect. And I'm just gonna keep applying until I get the desired intensity on my eyes, and I want this to really look gray more than anything, so just keep going. Now with a more tapered brush, I'm picking up the color Password and I'm applying just underneath the previous color. Now with a smaller brush, I'm going to apply the same color on the outer V, and I'm just going to tap that on there to create more intensity. Now using the fluffy brush from before, we're just going to blend that in. We're not adding any additional product, just whatever's left. Now I'm going to take the color Black Truffle with that smaller brush from before, and I'm going to put it on the outer V and start to blend it out. And I really want to keep it in the grayish tone. I don't want to intensify it and make it really black, so I'm not going to add too much of this color. Now we're going to cut the crease, and I'm going to speed on through it, but if you want to know the trick to cutting your crease, go to my first video. And now I'm going to take the color Jeffree Star in Restraints. This is a liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to pat it on there. It's a really pretty shimmery gray, but it's not too shimmery, if that makes any sense. And if you're going to apply a product like this, just make sure to tap it on there so that it does not move any of the powder products. You don't want to mess up any of your work. Now taking the brush that we use for Black Truffle, we're just going to blend it out without any additional product, and once it's blended out, then I'll add a little bit more. And now I'm taking this silver color called Mouse Duh from the Storybook Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna use it with a wet brush and just go on in the inner corner to the center. And now we're just going to join those two colors with the Restraints and the Mouse Duh, and just go back and forth trying to blend it out because I want it to go from bright to dark. And I'm going to pick up the color Sandalwood with that fluffy brush just a bit and go over the top. I want it to be a little warmer there. Now I'm taking Stilla's liquid eyeshadow in Smoldering Satin with this small brush, and I'm just going to line over the top just to get that little glitter effect. And I freaking messed up and I got it on my lid, so I went off camera and I fixed it. Okay, now I'm taking the color Moon Dust and I'm going to apply it underneath my brow bone just to give a little bit. And I'm mixing the colors Angelic and Moon Dust and putting it on the inner corner of the eye. And now I'm going to pick up those gray colors from before, I think it was Password, and just apply it and go in with a black liner. And now I am just putting mascara on my bottom lashes. I haven't changed this portion of my routine. So my mascara and my eyeliner are the exact same products that I've used in my previous videos. And I'm just going to lightly line just so that I'm able to put some lashes over it. I'm not going to do a wing liner, and I don't want to take away from this look. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Please don't forget to add me on my social media accounts and to subscribe. Love you, beauties!